Bigay.
Hinahanap si Dice. Shot, no good. Rebounded by Dice. Bumaba, pero may foul tayo dyan. Foul committed by jersey number 7.
Nagsiselfon na yan.
Grabing foul.
Walang laban, di mo lalabas.
Second personal foul. Second team foul.
Kasi mag-Minecraft.
Dice. 2 free throws. First shot. Basket. Second shot. No good. Oh, put back kay Toros. Wala. Toros. Shot, no good. Wolf basketball. Jersey number 22. Nalakas si jersey number 77. Turnover. Last 2 minutes of the first quarter. Guys. Triple kill.
Stay back! What's up, man? Uy, dumingay!
77. Pinasa kay jersey number 76 na favorite number 77. O na, si jersey number 22. 22, katakungan, binalik kay Tison. No good. Rebound by Coros. Akin na to, sabi ni Dice. Close it up, 2 points. Score 27-6. Dison, intercepted by Coros. Nakuha yan ni Kabakungan. Akin na to, wala. Nakuha si Nakpil, reverse layup, wala. Oh, 29. Nakuha, nagkagaw sa buko, nakuha yan ni Coros.
Diretso!
Coros, foul committed jersey number 22.